Hey, welcome to today's show. Today I'm making my own wax canvas. I'm going to wax this canvas. And I shredded a half cup of an old candle. And I'm going to substitute vinegar for turpentine because turpentine is you can use as a cleaner. It's an antiseptic. Vinegar cleans things. And you can use it for similar things. And I'm going to use just a quarter cup of vegetable oil instead of linseed oil. Now I have to melt the wax and apply it. Well, let's get to that. Put the honey in a can. Just going to put it in the hot water. Then we'll brush it on our wax canvas, let it dry, and then we'll heat it with the hairdryer. Okay, 7 minutes later, the honey is all melted. Put the oil in, put the vinegar in. Just stir it a little bit. It already is cooling. It doesn't take long to cool. Just shredded up an old candle, so I'm not really sure what kind of wax it is. So I'm going to just leave this on low. Close over here. Let's see if you can see that. See that? Okay, we're just going to let it sit there, dry. Here, I don't know if you can see, but there's stuff beating on it already that maybe didn't mix. So I'm going to heat it up with the hairdryer, see what happens. That's 6 minutes, 7 minutes. I'll just quickly go over it again. And we'll see you in the morning. There we go, put some water in there. Let's go in. Let's see it, let's see. You can see there's water. Let's see, we're going to give it a few hours, see if it actually leaks. Alright, this water's been in there for almost 5 hours. See. If there's any in the bowl. Not one drop. Look at the bowl. Not one drop. So that worked fine. I'm going to let it dry, then we'll make it into a little shaving kit.